In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate the Shopify API. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, go to Settings, then open Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Develop Apps, and if this is your first time, enable Custom App Development. Next, click Create an App, give it a name, and assign an app developer. Once the app is created, open the API Configuration tab and select the admin API scopes you need, such as products, orders, customers, or inventory. After selecting the required permissions, save the changes and click Install App. Shopify will now generate your API key, API secret, and access token. Make sure to copy and store these securely. You can now use these credentials to connect Shopify with your website, backend, or third-party service using REST or GraphQL APIs. Test the connection to confirm everything is working properly. And that's how you integrate the Shopify API. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.